Now we're all familiar with filters like ND and CPL, but today we're going to look at something different. We're going to look at a set of creative filters from Freewell that's going to give you something really unique. And to test this out, we're going to film a budget iPhone music video with these filters and my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's do this! Right, let's get straight into it and do a quick overview of this filter set from Freewell. Now, I've got a set of 3 filters here sent as part of that creative package. We've got the Kaleidoscope, we've got the Color Burst Mirage, and we also have the Galactic Grid filter. Now these filters work with the Sherpa iPhone kit that Freewell sells. Now I did a video about the Sherpa kit a few months ago when I went through my camera bag. I'll link that below, but the Sherpa kit is amazing. The build quality of the case is brilliant. I'll show you the case right now, but I think I've lost my phone. I don't know where it is, but I have the filters, and these filters are, wow, just take this one out. Look at that. The quality of these filters are brilliant, and these are magnetic and they work so well with Sherpa kit. It snaps into place easy, it stays on, really good, really good. This set is with me all the time. I'm always carrying those filters with me, and the case is on my phone permanently. Now, I did get it out a few weeks ago, took some shots using these filters, and they came out okay, but I didn't have the light I needed to really have some fun with them. The real magic is when you use these filters with music videos, fashion shoots, stuff like that. Now, I'm just a small-time YouTuber here, so I don't have those high-end fashion shoots or hip-hop videos to shoot, but what I do have is a 9-year-old that just loves to dance. That's not what we discussed. Now I set up a very budget music video set. I used a couple of pocket lights I had hanging around, and I purchased a very cheap smoke machine from Amazon. So we're going to start with the Galactic Grid filter. This filter is pretty cool as it produces a starburst effect. Wait, hold on. Here comes the science. Starburst filters are optical filters that produce a star-shaped pattern around bright points of light. They work by diffracting light rays, creating multiple rays that extend outwards from the light source. Whew. Now, the effects of this filter is most noticeable when there's bright light. Pinpoint bright light sources in the scene. Now, if you don't have that kind of light, you're not going to have the same effects. You've got to be really selective as to where you're using these filters. And when you're using these filters, you can rotate that ring and change the effect. Right, before we move on, if you're loving the content, getting some value, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Next, we're going to move on to the Color Burst Mirage filter. Hold on, wait, the sides? We're going to bring the sides back. All right, let's bring back the sides. The rainbow colored flares are typically achieved through the diffraction of light. When light passes through or interacts with certain materials or filters, it can split into component colors, forming a spectrum. Oh, it's hot in here. This filter can add a whimsical and fantasy-like element to your visual content. Another unique look to your video. Finally, we have a very unique and heavy kaleidoscope filter. I mean, this filter comes with a really beefy case and it looks awesome. I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. Will you marry me? I mean, it looks awesome, man. It's like something out of Pink Panther.
You may keep the Pink Panther.
And the weight, it is heavy. I mean, it is really heavy. The kaleidoscope lens filter consists of multiple prisms. When light passes through the filter, the prisms refract and reflect the light, causing it to fracture into multiple rays. These rays bounce off the internal surface of the filter, creating symmetrical patterns and shapes. The resulting image captures the vibrant colors and details of the kaleidoscope-like effect. So that's all the filters. Now let's see all those clips pulled together into a dance music video. Look at that. And only cost me $100 setting up that music video set. So to wrap up, these filters are great and I had so much fun using it. It brings something completely different to your videos and your photography. As for the price, well, you can grab these directly from Freewell and they're currently on offer for $170. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. And if you want to learn more about filmmaking with your smartphone, then check out these videos right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.